Okay, well students, next exercise 4.3 of NCRT of determinant. Now we are starting with area of triangle. Now suppose we have 3 points x1 y1, then x2 y2, and then x3 y3. Now then how to find the area of this triangle? Now the area represented by this triangle, yes, and then we have to write this half. Now you remember this 1 2 3, know this counting, yes, then it will be easy for you. Now 1 2 3 means first always outside the bracket will start with x, so first of all it come 1, then it will be x1, then after 1 it comes 2, then inside the bracket y, so it will be y2, and after 2 it will be 3, y3. Yes, got it. Now first x1, then next x2, yes, and after 2 it comes 3, then it will be y3, then after 3 again 1 minus y1, then plus, then after 3 after 2 it comes 3, yes, then again after 3 it will be 1, and after 1 it will be 2. Yes, got it. And always the unit you will write as square units, unit for area. What you will write the unit? Square units. Got it? Yes. Now then some points you have to remember when you calculate the area. The first point is always take positive value for area. If you get the answer negative, then you have to take the absolute value for that. Okay, don't take the negative value for area, always take positive value for area. Absolute value means if there is negative sign you will get as positive. Now the second one, area of triangle for 3 collinear points. Collinear, you know, when all the points are in a straight line, yes, is 0. First point is you have to take always the positive value for area, and then area of triangle for 3 collinear points is 0. Okay, now we'll come to the exercise. First question, third part of solving. We have to find the area of the triangle and the vertices are given. So area will represent by this triangle, then half. First we'll write the formula. It will come 1 outside, then after 1 2, then y2 minus y3, then 1 is here, so next it will be 2, then next after 2 it will be 3, y3 minus y1, then after 2 it will be 3. Just see, x1 x2 x3, and inside the bracket it depends, after 1 it will be 2 and 3, after 2 it will be 3 and 1, and then after 3 it will be 1 and 2, y1 minus y2. Yes, so now I have written x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, then we will substitute this value, minus 2, then y2 minus y3, it will be 2 plus 8, then x2 it will be 3, then y3 minus 8, and then minus and minus it will be plus 3, then x3 it will be minus 1, and then y1 minus 3, and then y2 minus 2. Yes, so it will be 1 by 2, then minus 2 into 10 plus 3 into minus 5, then 2 negative signs, so it will be plus, so it will be half, minus 20, sorry, minus 20, then minus 15 plus 5, then it will be half, minus 35 plus 5, it will be half, minus 30, and then minus 15. As the rule I told you, you have to take positive value for area. Yes, so we'll take the positive value only. So what will be the answer? Answer, the area will be, you have to take positive value, leave the negative value. Okay, so it will be 15, and then you write square units. This is the solution. Now we have to show that these points are collinear. Collinear means all these points A
are on the same line.
B and C are on the same straight line. For that, for collinear, area of triangle, area of triangle ABC will be 0. Yes. So what we will do now, again we'll write the formula x1 y1 minus y2, then x2 y3 minus y1, and plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0. Okay, then please write it over here, x1 y1 x2 y2, then x3 and y3. Now using the formula here, x1 it will be a, then y1 x1, sorry, it will be y2 minus y3, sorry, then it will be c plus a, and then y3 minus a and minus b, and then now next is x2, and x2 is b, then b, y3 it will be a plus b minus b and minus c, and then plus x3 it will be c, then y1 b plus c minus c minus a and equals to 0. Then cancel out the terms. Then what will this a half, because the right side is 0, so it will goes to 0, then AC minus AB plus AB minus BC, and then plus CB minus CA equals to, now we have to show it is equals to 0, so we are doing it by the left hand side, not every time 0. Yes, then AC and AC will be cancelled out, AB and AB will be cancelled out, then BC and BC will be 0, so equals to 0, and this is the right hand side, so the points are collinear. Now next question number 3, he is asking the value for K if the area of triangle is 4, and what is K? 3 points are given, this is the second part, 3 points are given, -2 0, then 0 4, and then 0 and K. So we have to find this K if area of triangle is 4. So again we'll write here x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and we'll write the formula half, then -2, and then 4 minus K, then because x2 is 0, so the remaining one will 0, and then x3 is 0, so again 0, and it equals to 4. Now the cross multiplication, so it will be -8 and plus 2k equals to 8, so 2k will be 16, therefore k will be 8. So the answer, we have to leave the answer in coordinate form because we have to find this value 0 and k, so answer will be 0 and 8.